Make Seafarers great again to Embark 763. We have now new adapting presidents in USA. They are going to make America great again. So why not then have these values everywhere and swim in our seas, toots, making seafarers great again. Airlines can really put them 40 kilos in the bucket because seafarers are heroes, you see? You can have COVID, you can have wars, but who is providing 90% of your needs today? Seafarers. So why not make them great again? Then we have enlistment contracts. Yes, some call them CBS, IBF, we call them CTAs, and so on. And many countries deduct 20% of their wages. Cut it. Now, this make them great again, 100% net and gross. If you have an employer that is doing that, contact Candina, so we take over your fleet because we can make you great again. Then insurance, same thing. MLC, some countries this, some countries that. Some labor unions charge you these fees or those fees. Some governments, some banks. Everybody is trying to get out of your wages. Let's make you great again. Talk about social bonus, social security, national insurance. How can we cover your family, sanitary assistance? How many surgeries? How much is it going to be? For how long? And then let's talk about long-term employment with Candina. How much is it valued? Let's make you great again. Then, whilst some talk a lot, now, if you subscribe, if you like, if you tell your ship owner to contact us, we are going to make you, great again, long term. Thank you. Bye.